Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your DB context is wired and your connection string is correct. This is essential so migrations reflect real schema. Once done, add the EF core packages and the CLI tools. Then run .NET F migrations add initial create. If your startup and data projects differ, include project and startup project to point to the right assemblies. This creates a migrations folder with snapshot and migration classes, so you can review what will be applied to the database. You should open the generated migration files and read the up and down methods to understand the operations EF intends to run. If column types, defaults, or constraints need tweaking, modify these methods or adjust your model and regenerate. For complex changes or seed data, include Migration Builder. SQL statements. This gives precise control. Make sure to keep the model and snapshot consistent so future migrations are incremental. After editing, build the project to validate compilation before you apply the migration with .NET F database update. Make sure your connection string targets the correct environment so you do not affect production unintentionally. If errors occur, rerun with verbose to see the SQL and stack trace and roll back to the previous migration using its name. Once applied, verify schema and run app tests. One key troubleshooting tip: if a migration fails mid-apply, restore from backup and fix the migration file or the model. Then reapply after confirming the snapshot and code compile correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.